Hey, good morning folks, welcome back to the homestead. Justin here. Got to do a little tractor maintenance, 50-hour maintenance on this new tractor here. So we're going to dig into this today and try to get this knocked out, change the fuel filters and change the oil. Just letting her warm up a little bit, get the fluids nice and warmed up so it drains a whole lot easier. All right, let's dive into this and get this taken care of. So folks, this is what we're doing right here. We're going to do the after the first 50 hours and every 50 hours maintenance today. So engine oil filter, hydraulic oil filter, hydrostatic transmission filter, fuel water separator filter, and clean the air filters. And we'll go ahead and clean out the radiator screen too. So let's dive off into this. All right, so I believe this right here is the the fuel water separator here. So we're gonna take this out. I got the filter off. Taking a little bit of fuel out of there, what was in there. There's the filter right there. Let's go grab the other filter and put her on. Hey there folks, welcome back. I apologize, my camera died on me earlier, so we're gonna get back on this 50-hour tractor maintenance here. I got some stuff done while the camera was down, but I'll run you around the tractor and show you what I got completed. But just got done blowing out this part of this air filter, so let's stick that back in the tractor real quick. All right, let's pull this tractor out and let's get this sucker greased up so we can start getting some brush hogging done. Alright folks, I gotta get back in here. Gotta get the screen out for the radiator screen and get that thing washed out. Alright, let's take this and get this all washed off so our tractor don't overheat. Alright folks, got the screen all nice and clean. Let's slide this back in where she goes. She's back in. Let me walk you around, show you exactly what I did the other day while the camera was dead. So, it's that canister right there. That's your fuel filter. Replace that. That right there is a transmission and hydraulic filter. Replace that one. And Put a new oil filter on it with a brand new oil. So we should be good for the 50-hour service. With the fluids anyways. Now I gotta go back and we're gonna grease everything up today, all the grease fittings. But I don't know if it came from the factory with that oil filter and that transmission filter, but whoever stuck them on there was not hand tightened. They were a booger to twist off, but we got them. I'm gonna go ahead and check the oil again while we're here, since it's been running. Make sure where she needs to be. Yep, she looks good. All right, let's go around here around back and check the hydraulic fluid. Let's check this, see how she looks. She might could use a little more in there. Yeah, let's go ahead and go get a jug of hydraulic fluid and put some more in there. All right, let's check that and see how we're looking. Well, ain't the easiest stuff to see on a dipstick. I believe we're good though. All right, folks, all the fluids checked out. And this first 50 hours, we're going ahead and grease everything up real good for the 50-hour service. So let's get that taken care of. We about got her whooped. All right, folks, first thing we're going to grease up is this front axle grease point here. Well, I put her to it. She's coming out of there. All right, folks, the next one we're going to put it to this power steering cylinder here. Let's do the bottom. Gonna climb it. I don't think I got her on there. Turn this down a little bit. Grease is nasty. Got the cylinder done. Now we gotta do the clutch. Alright, folks, and then we got to do the brake. Alright, it's good there. Wipe some of that nice extra grease off these things, so I'm not making a mess out of everything. Alright, folks, a few more. We're going to hit this this front end loader and the bucket up here. We'll get that greased up. This one's clogged up with dirt, so we're going to dig her out, clean her up. All right, let's go get the other side. folks, it's getting too hot out here today, so got everything greased, got everything serviced, all the oils changed, filters changed, brush hog hooked up, so we're ready to go. I'll level that brush hog up when I come out here to brush hog. I bought that brush hog off a guy I used to work with, about 150 bucks. It does not hold gear oil, so I usually just pump the gearbox full of grease, and that works just fine. So thanks for joining me today out here in the sweltering heat, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. And hey, God bless y'all, and you'll have a great day. We'll catch you next time on the Homestead. All right, bye.